Namaste, I am JVN Seema Panchal from Department of Journalism, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Students, in this session today I will teach you about radio formats. Format is the basic structure of a program. Over time, a variety of radio formats have developed. In this session, I will teach different formats involved in radio production. First format is announcement. This is the most basic and simplest format in radio. It may be even a basic information like you are listening to All India Radio or stating the news follows. Announcement is very important in radio compared to TV because radio is an audio medium where the listeners should be kept reminded about the radio station they are tuned into, the program they are listening to, and the name of the person presenting the program, etc. The announcements like this is Rainbow FM, this is Seema talking to you in Listener's Choice program are very common in radio. Next format is radio talk. A talk is a typical radio format even though talk is the main forte of radio and radio jockeys. Radio talk is the format that represents a continuous talk for a particular time period, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Mostly it is given by an expert on a particular subject. The third format is radio news. News is one among the most important formats of radio, and radio news occupied a special place in radio schedule throughout the world for a long time. In India, till the recent growth of TV, radio news played a key component in informing the people about the latest happenings. Then radio interview. This is the another format of radio. Interviews with experts or achievers are done in radio interviews. A famous sports star might be interviewed regarding his winning performance, or an expert in disaster management could be interviewed on the ways to safeguard in times of earthquake. Next is radio vox pop. Vox pop is derived from the term vox populi. The meaning of the term is voice of the people. Vox pop is common for all the mass media. In the case of radio vox pop, the journalists go to the street to meet the common people. Vox pop is conducted among the people to know their opinions and reactions. Vox Pop generally feature along with the radio news, though in the past there have been programs exclusively featuring Vox Pops as of now. They form part of news features, radio magazines, radio documentaries, etc. Vox Pop are also included in book and film reviews along with the review of the critics. Next is phone in. Phone in is a format that has gained immense popularity in recent times. Phone numbers are provided by the radio station and the listeners are invited to make a call to the station. The objective varies from discussing a matter of public concern on phone, posing queries to the expert in the studio, posing a question to the celebrity in the studio, taking part in the game show, or it could also be simply to ask for a favorite song of the listener to be broadcast. The another format is radio drama, could be designed for 1 or 2 hours for a single day's slot, or it could go on continuously for weeks together. The next is radio discussion. Radio discussions take place around a topic that is current and public oriented. For example, the importance of voting would be an apt topic for discussion. During the election time, there would be a group of people who indulge in the discussion. Sometimes the topic would be to choose between yes or no, good or bad, etc. The next format of radio is a radio magazine is a combination of different radio formats such as radio feature, interviews, music, etc. Much simpler to the printed magazines. Radio magazine comprises of different formats in a single edition. And the last is game show. Radio game shows are based on music, general knowledge, sports, etc. Either participants are invited to the studio or they are given to the phone number to be called for the purpose of radio show. With this, today's session is ended here. Tomorrow we will discuss next topic of this subject. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will sort out it soon.